basically, the motion I have right in front of me is basically to assert to the governor, the island governor, that there's some issues with SATEL, like we mentioned before, the quality of the internet, and that we would like to see a solution, and that we want a meeting with the board of SATEL, and to see what direction they want to take the company, and to see, if, not necessarily if we agree, but if it's in line with what we think the telecommunication company on SATEL should be going. And maybe if they can seek assistance from the national government to assist with their challenges.
Now, how long do you think it would take for you to get a response on this?
So there wasn't, the motion doesn't say within what time frame the government or SATEL should respond, but we hope, considering that we did pass a motion, that it is dealt with expediently. Because it is clearly an urgent need for better internet service, and we hope that SATEL agrees.